Use the web interface and log in as Poweruser. By default, the password is Poweruser with a capital P. Select Device Info. Select Firmware. Take note of the current firmware version. Then, go back to the main menu. Click Update Scanner Firmware. To download the latest firmware, click the link. Log in as guest. The guest password is guest with a capital G. Select Device Updates. Retrieve your serial number. Then, put it in the serial number field. Next, put in the firmware version you noted down. Then, click Send. Click on the link on the top to download the update package. Please do not attempt to unzip or extract the tar file in the zip file. We'll just be using the zip file as is. In the web interface, click Browse, then select the zip file you downloaded. Finally, click Send File. After the zip file finishes uploading to the scanner will complete the update process and then shut down.